go next to create your pages. You're going to want to go over to Pages. You can either click All Pages to see what's there, or you can click Add New. I'm going to click to create a new page. From here, you're going to want to add a title at the top, and it will automatically start you on a paragraph. That's maybe what you're going to put next. If you want to switch what type of content you'd like to use, you're going to use this black plus sign, and you can choose what type of content. I click the plus sign, and you can see here that there's some items that show. Here there are only 6, but there's actually more items that you can add. I'm going to click the Browse All button to show you what's there. So on the left, you can see what the options are. Under text types, you can have a paragraph, and it'll even show a preview on the right if you hover over it. You can add a list, so this is anything with bullets. You may add an accordion item. This is an item where you would basically click to drop down. You could use this for FAQs. You can add a short separator. This is a custom item that separates a little bit of the text from other text. It looks just like a blue line, but a short one. You can add a full separator. This looks like a long blue line. You can add a headline title. This is going to be slightly smaller than this title here, but still appear as a headline within your text, or a subtitle if you want something even smaller. And then you can also choose to add a button. For media types, we allow images, so you can add an image. You can also add a file. In this case, the only file that we allow is PDF, but it will allow you to add the file directly to the page so that somebody could see what the file sort of looks like and then click on it. And then the final option is to use gravity forms, which we'll talk about a little bit later. So from here, again, you can type your text. If you are just typing paragraphs, you can actually just click enter and it will stay on that paragraph box. If I want to change to one of these items, let me add in a list. It's going to stay on that list until, again, I change this black box right here. So that's how you add items to pages. Once you're done, you're going to want to check preview to make sure that it looks like you expect. I'm going to go ahead and save the draft first. I'm watching it get saved, and then I'm going to click the preview and preview in a new tab so I can open it up and look at what it looks like. Here's what I typed. If that's good for me, I will go ahead and click this blue publish button. Let's just go back to our pages. I'm going to show you one more thing. You can always add a new page from over here as well. Once you publish, it's going to show up without anything after it, unless of course it's this front page or one of these private pages. You can see here that this is a draft page. That means it's not published yet. So that's how you add pages.